dear students. We are learning about the maps, and you know or you have learned in the previous classes about physical map and political map. There is also one other type of map that is called as thematic map. These maps are prepared with special themes, and through these maps, distribution of various variables in a region is shown. Now, which are those variables? They are temperature, rainfall, population, etc. These are also called as distributional maps. And through this distributional map, those variables can be shown in three different methods. They can be shown through dot method, choropleth method, and isopleth method. In previous class, we learned about dot method. Now we will see how choropleth method is used to show the variables. This is an example of choropleth map. Choropleth method is used here to show density of population. In this method, the data regarding various geographical variables is shown by shades and tints of various colors. You can see here various shades or tints are shown. These maps are used to show relation between two values, difference between density of population in two regions. It is shown with the help of these colors. Now through this, you can visualize how the population varies in one particular region. So they provide an easy way to visualize how a measurement varies across a geographic area or show level of variability within a region. Level of variability means difference of population in a particular region. So in one glance, you come to know where population is high, where population is less, and which region is densely populated. Now, this data can be obtained through various processes. Maybe they do survey, then measurement. So, they obtained data from various sources. Now in this method, only one value is given to one administrative unit in a region. Now administrative unit means what? Now this is a map of Amravati district. This is a district. And this what you see, they are taluka. So in one administrative unit, only one color is given. See here, Chikaldara color is or shade is different. Achalpur shade is different. So this is how only one shade is given to one administrative unit. The smallest and the largest value is of a given data is taken into consideration. So when they collect the information or when they obtain data, what they do is they see the least number and the highest number, and then they classify it into 5 to 7 classes. See here, this is called classification, and this is classified into 5 classes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So lowest one is less than 100 and highest one is more than 400. and each class a shade is given or tint is given. So these shades or patterns become darker with the increasing value of a given variable. Now here also you can see, now here Amravati has dense population. So the shade differs. Lowest population or lowest taluka has light color. Now here Chikaldara has lowest population. So the tint here used is very light. And Amravati taluka population is very dense. So here dark shade is given. So as the value increases or decreases, shade of the color also increases or decreases. Here, this is also example of choropleth map. But here only two colors are used, black and white. But they have given the patterns. Here they have given the patterns. Here also, see Amravati district, same district it is. Density of population is high here. So here they have used dense square. Patterns which they have used, they are very dense. Chikaldhara with less population, less than 100. So pattern which it is they have used, they are very sparse. So this is also example of choropleth map. Let us see what are the advantages of choropleth maps. They are very simple to prepare. You just have to color the map. Like how you color your drawings. Then easy perception. Perception means when you take a glance, you come to know difference between the areas. Which region has high population, which region has less population. So this is called easy perception. Then analytic abundance. Analytic means systematically the population is presented. Systematic study of something, that is called as analytic. So here systematically the density of population is presented on the map. So it is in a comprehensible way. Comprehensible means it is easy to understand. So these are the advantages of choropleth map. Then the choropleth map also has some disadvantages. They give false impression of abrupt change at the boundaries of shaded units. Here, this is one taluka, this is another taluka. So abrupt change means after Dharani, the Chikaldara taluka starts. So that doesn't mean that population suddenly become less here. This is the meaning of that abrupt change. So it gives a false impression of abrupt change at the boundaries of shaded units. Then they are often not suitable for showing total values. Total values means they don't show exact values. Now here in Chikaldara, they have given less than 100 density of population per square kilometer. So they have not told exact how much it is. It may be 90, 80, 70. So these values are not given exact. Now Amravati also, it is shown more than 400, but not exact value is told. Then third one, it can be difficult to distinguish between different shades. Now since this map is clear, you can clearly see high density region and low density region. But sometimes what happens in some maps, the shades are not clear. You cannot identify the correct region. the density of population. You cannot identify it clearly. So that is the third disadvantage of choropleth method. So this was regarding your choropleth method. Let us compare dot method and choropleth method. So this map is used or is prepared with the help of dot, and this map is prepared with the help of color. Same, the variable is same here. Both the maps, they have shown the distribution of population, but in dot method they have shown the dots here, and as the value changes, the size of the dot change. And here choropleth map, what happens? As the density of population changes, the shade of the color changes. But best way to show distribution of population is dot method. So this was regarding your choropleth map, choropleth